Hello, I'm Dragos, and in this video we're going to check my YouTube journey and we're going to see the WebDOS YouTube channel stats. I'm doing YouTube for more than 5 years and I have more than 150 videos posted on my YouTube channel. My channel is about tech, mostly tech tutorials of how you can do various things, how you can do things in WordPress, maybe how you can install different applications and use them. And I'm doing this for more than 5 years. And recently I get monetized by Google and I was thinking to share the journey that I had with YouTube and see this is for you and how much money maybe you can make with a tech YouTube channel. And in here you can see my channel. This is the dashboard, and in here you see that I have about 1,800 subscribers and I have about 187 videos that are posted. These are the latest videos on my channel, and you see that the new videos are getting about 200 views a day. In the beginning, let's see, when I posted the first video, it was I think about 9 years ago. So you see in here that about 9 years ago I started posting some YouTube videos. Basically this was some WordPress tutorials that I was creating, and then 5 years ago I started posting videos more constantly, and I've created some tutorials about WordPress, about how you can install different cPanel alternatives and so on, and mostly it was about WordPress and things like that. And after I've moved and do broader tutorials like not only WordPress and Docker and other DevOps things that I'm interested on. So basically on this channel I'm mostly posting the things that I'm interested about and I'm testing them. And the primary reason of this YouTube channel was to get better of explaining things in front of the camera. In the beginning, I wasn't even liking to see my videos. From the start to the end, I was like horrified of what I was seeing in there. I didn't like what I was telling because I wasn't speaking a very good English. Neither now I'm not speaking a very good English. I am doing mistakes, but from the first video to this one, the progress is there and I'm starting to make better videos, I think. This is some of the feedback that I have in some of the comments, and I'm trying to get better from video to video. My process, it's like as easy as possible because I don't have a lot of time to create these videos, and I want to create them as fast as possible and with little editing. So that's why I'm trying to record these videos with one shot and to make minimum editing to them. I've tried different things, and basically I think having like something that it's more simple, it's better. I've also created some card tutorials in the past with how you can do various card things to create your website. So yeah, this is these are the videos and this is the channel. I have also a couple of websites that I am posting all of these things in there. And through my journey I had a lot of ups and downs. I wasn't very constant, and I guess that's why the growth was not that fast. So basically I'm struggling for more than 5 years to get this channel monetized. Meanwhile, I've earned with different affiliate programs that I'm promoting in here, like I don't know, a couple hundred, let's say, bucks a year. The money made there aren't a lot with this YouTube channel because mostly, again, I'm just posting things that I am interested about. I'm not just creating things for money. Mostly, these are the things that I like and I like to learn. That's why I've started recently posting about Docker and how you can deploy various things with it, because I like the options that Docker are offering on the open source community, and that's why I've posted a lot of tutorials in the last months that will help you to deploy various applications in Docker. The AI is also here, and lately I've also created some tutorials with some AI tools that you can install and use. So I'm trying to create videos around the subjects that I am passionate about and tools that I like and use them in the day-to-day activities. And right now what I will do, I will go into the channel dashboard so you can see the stats in here and see exactly what is happening. So in here you see that the current subscribers are yeah, 1826. There are like about 50 subscribers that are coming every month. This is not a lot, but yeah, I'm happy that I have subscribers that wants to join my channel and are interested about the things that I am saying in here. I'm struggling to create like good thumbnails. I'm watching a lot of tutorials online about YouTube and YouTube growth, and yeah, I'm trying to get better at creating the titles and the YouTube thumbnails. For instance, you see here that the last video that I've created yesterday, it has like 200 views, and this is is doing quite well. Impression click-through rate is not that great, and overview duration is not great. I guess this depends on what YouTube push this video to the audience. It's something, it's not a lot. And in here you see, for instance, in the last 28 days, you see that I get about 12,000 views. They're like 400 hours, and the money that I'm making with this is about $50 that I'm getting for this. Yeah, there aren't a lot. It will not be enough to make a living with YouTube, but again, I'm doing this to get better of making videos and to learn new things. And again, I like now to be in front of the camera. It wasn't the case in the beginning, but yeah, with practice you can get there in case you don't like to watch your video or you're not feeling comfortable in front of the camera. And if we're going to go to analytics, in here you see that recently I posted a couple of videos. It wasn't the case for in the last month. So yeah, I'm usually posting like a couple of videos a month, and I'm trying to get constant with this, with posting tutorials. And in here you see that this is the most viewed content that I have in the last 28 days. You see that Cloud Panel installation with hosting Node.js applications is the most viewed one. Again, this one with Outline, which is a great wiki tool. And then this is the WooCommerce search one. Then I have some sticky header creation for cart. So yeah, the overview duration is about 2 minutes for these videos. It's not a lot, and they have like about a couple of hundreds, about above 500 views a month for these videos. And yeah, these are the channel stats for this YouTube channel, Tech One, that has been monetized 1 month ago. You see that I'm just earning about $50, and the views in the last 24 hours are about 1,100. They are not a lot, and if you're going to check the content and how it is found, let's see, you will see in here that, for instance, most of the views to my channel are coming from YouTube searches and external are mostly from Google and again searches. So yeah, YouTube is not really pushing my videos. I guess they are not good enough and not engaging enough to be pushed. But yeah, that's fine. I'm trying to get better, and most of the traffic is from YouTube search and the external sources. In the past 28 days, there are like 11,000 views with 58k impressions. The click-through rate is about 7.6%, and the view duration is about 2 minutes. It's not that great, it's not that awful, but yeah, these are the stats, and this is how my YouTube channel is doing. I will post these videos monthly so you can see the increase and the journey to YouTube. And I'm doing this like a monthly vlog so you can see the exact stats and have more insights on YouTube and maybe see some of the things that that are happening with the tech channel. Yeah, if you're planning to start a YouTube channel this year or in the near future, I encourage you to do so, because on YouTube mostly it matters the presentation, how you are in front of the camera, if you are engaging and if you are telling useful things that other needs. For sure YouTube it will recommend you, and it will be a shame not to try it. This was my YouTube journey. It was a bumpy road. I needed more than 5 years to get monetized by YouTube, but I'm finally there. Also, the video quality has increased since last video was created. If you are planning to create a new YouTube channel, then I encourage you to start creating it and start creating some videos and see how it does for you. If you are interested to see some of the tech tutorials, then you can browse the videos that I've created. You can also see the progress by playing an old video and then watching a new video and see exactly what I'm talking about. I hope you enjoyed this video, and in case you are on YouTube and you are having a channel, you can let a comment with the things that you are experience, and see you next month in the next video. We're going to see exactly how things changed.